I'm going to be doing a running pre-tutorial. This was requested by a friend of mine. It's one of my favorite movements in parkour, so we're going to go over some things that'll help your running pre be more reliable. So with that out of the way, let's get started, and hopefully we can get you on to the journey of jumping really far towards walls. So let's talk about takeoff position. What you should do is raise both your arms up and have your foot in front of you, so that way you can block your momentum while also driving your knee straight up. This is going to get you the height on your running pre, and this is going to also enable you to aim with your foot. So here's how I like to aim for my running pre's. Now I pretend my driving knee is like crosshairs in FPS games. The idea is if your driving knee is lined up with the object, by the time your feet straighten out, it should be perfectly lined up with the edge of the object. You can see this example here. So for level running pre's, I find a small knee drive is enough, and you actually want to swing your leg for the aim on this one. Even with the leg swing, if your knee is lined up perfectly with the obstacle, you should land on the edge nice and soft in this example here. Hopefully the slow-mo is good enough for you. For upwards running pre's, I'd recommend relying on your foot block and knee drive way more, as well as using your arms. The slow-mo should highlight this. If you do everything right, you'll end right on the edge. You'll just roll up and everything will be nice and soft. These are all the tips I have. I didn't really talk about run up as much because that's something you can easily implement with practice. Hopefully these tips help. Till next time, peace.